Hi, my name is Rosalie and I am the owner of Rosalie Bridal Alterations in Greenfield, Massachusetts. I have been working with Dee Dee since I was 18 years old. It was the middle of the pandemic and I knew I really wanted to be in alterations. I really wanted to be in bridal alterations, and I had a lot of the skills, but I wasn't able to find a job in my area and I really wanted to work for myself, and Dee Dee was able to help me with that process, help me really trust myself, trust that I knew what I was doing, I was capable of this, and helped walk me through the process of having a successful alterations business, what that looks like for her, and how to use lessons and mistakes that she made over the years to really build my business and have such a strong foundation to build off of. I think that this program would be really helpful to anyone who knows that they want to be in alterations but just doesn't feel like they have quite the skills and the ability to launch that business on their own, and anyone who is looking to train a bridal seamstress, whether it's a bridal shop or an alteration shop that doesn't have the ability to teach on their own. Dee Dee's program would be absolutely wonderful for that. I wish I, had it from the beginning, from even earlier in my alterations process. I really think she teaches everything so clearly. I think Dee Dee's program has really helped me learn to trust myself, trust the process for sure, and be able to show up to fittings, really instilling that confidence in brides that I know what I'm doing and I am going to serve them to the best of my ability. She is always there, if you need something, if you have a question along the way. She's just so wonderful in always checking in, always saying, hey, how are you doing? Which, when you're starting a business during a pandemic, is just an absolute lifesaver. So I want to say a huge thank you to Dee Dee and the Anderson Alterations Academy. I highly recommend this program if you're looking to branch out and get into this field of alterations, or looking to train up a fresh new seamstress in the industry. Dee Dee's program is absolutely wonderful.